Yeah, I'm Sam Glover, Project Service Manager at Stancold. Well, I've always been in the industry, apart from a few years away when travelling. Started on the tools and worked up into the offices, and now Project Service Manager. Typical days probably out on the road, going to visit either a sales inquiry or going to visit the site where the guys are working, start them off, show them the job that they're doing, meet the client, agree where we're going to start, what areas we can work in, or I'm in the office following up on the sales leads and organising the buying of materials for the jobs that we're selling. So Project Service Manager is basically a cross between sales and contract management, usually managing the jobs that I've sold, but also managing jobs that other salesmen have sold. Organisation, because you're working quite often you're working inside a working factory, so everyone has to be on the same wavelength. You can't work there, you need to work there, and just fitting in around people and agreeing again with the client how best to do the work without the minimum amount of disruption to their factory. Again, going back to the working factory situation, it's trying to arrange things when areas are free to work in, and then not being able to work in certain areas because there's live product in there, and trying to program things around the end user, the client, which is the most important thing. If you're working in this corner of the factory, you probably haven't got a door at that end of the factory, so you've got to get the stuff through the factory, and you can't do it if there's open product, so it needs to be wrapped and kept clean till you get over there, or you do it out of hours when the factory's closed. But a lot of factories are 24/7 these days, and if they are able to shut down, it's usually for 2 days to do a 5-day job, or so yeah. It's great. We're one big happy team working together. You couldn't do it if you weren't, because if you're relying on other people to help you out and do stuff, if you're not a happy team, it's not going to happen. Teamwork is everything, I would have said. Meeting the clients and discussing the various options that they have when they're asking me we want to do this, and actually we discuss it in a bit more detail, and together we'll come up with a better solution for what they want, and I think that's the most pleasing, and then seeing it actually developed and built, and then you see it at the end and go, yeah. Well, it's got to be the Cornish pasty, which I had one yesterday for lunch, and can't beat it.